Hey everyone, Morgan here. You have more storage than you think you do, and I'm going to show you where. One of the biggest complaints that you will hear from any prepper is, where do I store all this stuff? Especially if you live like in an apartment, RV, or whatever. Okay, so I'm going to give you some ideas. First of all, shelves. See this shelf? This is nice up against a wall. Everyone has at least a wall, right? So you could get like a shelf. It doesn't have to be this big, but like get a shelf, put it up against the wall, put some stuff. You don't want everybody to see your stuff, okay? Go ahead and get like a little curtain, put it up there, and just have it there, right? So like now you have a shelf with a little curtain. It looks nice. It doesn't look all cluttered like whatever's going on here, right? Bins, and then make those bins little tables. I have these little tables all up in my baby's room, as well as my kids each have one of these in their room. They have just two stacked here. My baby has like 4 in her room, makes 2 different little tables. This doesn't go all the way down, but this is just a little blanket. You can do a blanket that goes all the way down to the table, goes all the way down to the floor so that it covers the bins and makes it nice. But then it's a nice little table you can use. Under the bed. Literally, so much can fit underneath your bed. We have a king size bed and we have so much stuff. This is actually hard. Wait, these are red. Yeah, these are hard white wheat and hard red wheat. These are from the LDS store, and this fits right underneath our bed. So much can fit underneath our bed. It's just crazy how much can fit underneath your bed. So I think literally the only reason I have a bed frame is so that I can put stuff under the bed, but that's like a really good space to use. Organizing is probably one of the best things you can do. See this shelf here? This whole shelving system, awful, just awful, because it is so disorganized. So if you go through a closet, some shelves, some drawers, whatever, and you can organize it to where you can fit a lot more stuff. Get bins, and I'm going to show you that in just a second. You can get bins and organize it, put stuff in the bins, stack the bins, do stuff like that so that you're a little more organized and you have more space. This is a dresser, and this is a little door here that you'd probably think more clothes were in, right? Wrong. Well, I actually don't have anything in these drawers right now, which I can now fill with water or food or other gear or like an emergency disaster plan, or I don't know, whatever I want. You probably have so much underutilized wall space and just space in general that you probably just don't even realize it. And you're probably just like, whatever, it's just a blank wall. But you could put shelves on it and then maybe put some bins of stuff on there. This is in our bedroom, like right near our bed. So, of course, if you live in like an earthquake prone area, make sure that, things are secure on the shelving, stuff like that. So like make sure, one, your shelf is anchored to the wall. And then anything else you might have on your shelf, you can secure on the shelf. I would really have to say that shelving is like my #1 tip when it comes to utilizing space, especially in small places. This looks like a disaster, okay? But I promise there's a little bit of organization sometimes. I remember how I said earlier that you need to organize and declutter and stuff like that. That's because when you declutter, you can make something like this, like the prepper closet. You guys remember the prepper closet? This is the prepper closet I made a while back. This has bins and you can put shelving in here. You could actually get these and put these on the back of like all your doors and put, stuff in it. This would be perfect for apartments because you have at least like 2 or 3 doors that you can put these little storage things on, and you can now store your preps there. Easy peasy, and these are super cheap. I'm not even utilizing that closet very good. I could utilize it way better than I currently am with hangers and shelving and all kinds of things. So yeah, there's so much opportunity once you start getting organized and decluttering and finding more space. So your action today is to go walk around your place and say, you know what? Where can I declutter? What can I organize better? Can this spot right here be some shelving that I could put up? Whatever, right? And make a plan and get going on it. And start shoving some stuff underneath your bed, because that's a really good starting place. Let me know down in the comments where else you would have your preps, store your preps, hide your preps, whatever. And I hope you are following along in my 30-day workbook in this 30-day preparedness series. Thank you all so much for watching. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. I know I'm going to see you in the next episode because the next episode is going to be talking about growing something within 30 days. You want to know what it is? Well, I'll see you in the next episode. The next episode! Okay. Bye! I'll see you then. Bye.